Scripps Research in La Jolla is celebrating a century of transforming human health.
The nonprofit Biomedical Institute is one of the best in the world when it comes to innovation and has saved countless lives. CBS8's Jenny Day has more on how Scripps Research is working for our community.
It started 100 years ago through philanthropy. It continues that way now.
Our lab works on a lot of different projects.
Scripps Research, home to 6 Nobel Prizes, 15 FDA-approved medications, and more than 1,000 patents. Some of the most brilliant minds in the world are right here.
But kind of focused primarily on vaccine development, so HIV, flu, malaria.
It's marginal steps that we take in science, but it's a global kind of a team effort. So it's a great feeling knowing that I'm just a piece of this and contributing something important to the group effort.
2 of their top scientists very humbly invited me inside their lab.
We put our sample in here.
10 years ago when we started working here, it took a week to collect the data and then about 3 months to get a high resolution structure. And then now it takes less than an hour to go from collection to a high resolution structure. So it's just exponentially growing.
Celebrating their centennial milestone, Scripps has studied everything from cancer research, heart disease, arthritis, and helped develop vaccines against infectious diseases.
And one thing I'm really proud of is before COVID happened, we worked on the MERS virus and we helped develop a little tweak to the spike protein that allowed it to be more stable. And that little tweak went into all the vaccines that are out. So it's pretty cool to be kind of directly a part of something like that.
100 years ago, it was Ellen Browning Scripps who shared the same big goals. The philanthropist and journalist had an interest in diabetes, and after the discovery of insulin, opened the Institute in 1924 to see how else science could change medicine.
The research that they're doing is providing that foundation to make medicines for some of the most devastating diseases across cancer, infectious diseases, neurodegenerative diseases. We really have it covered at Scripps.
Remaining a nonprofit has allowed Scripps to do more curiosity-driven research. The majority of their funding comes from the National Institutes of Health, the Bill and Melinda Gates Foundation, and other generous donors.
Getting another microscope allows us to work on even more projects and get results out faster and really push science forward.
Donations are always welcome, and we'll take it and we'll do good stuff with it.
As Scripps Research enters a new century, they say they will continue to pursue bold and transformative ideas that advance human health and ultimately save lives. Working for our community in La Jolla, Jenny Day, CBS8.
An incredible facility. Scripps Research also takes in high school interns and trains the next generation of leading scientists.
Yeah, something to look into if you do have a high schooler. It is consistently named among the top 10 programs for chemistry and biological sciences.
When we come back,